Yo, what's up guys? So we're back and we're going to try to solve this breaking the records. So Mario plays college basketballs and wants to go pro. Each season she maintains a record of her play. She tabulates the number of times she breaks her season's record for most points and least points in the game. Points scored in the game. The first game established her record for the season, and she begins counting from there. Okay. So example is an array. Scores are in the same order as the games played. She tabulates her results as follows. Alright. Count 0, 0, count 0, 0 to 10. Okay. Given the score for a season, determine the number of times Maria breaks a record for most and least point scored during the season. Breaks her most and least. Okay. So this time the max was the max was beat. Okay, 12 12. The 24 24. The lowest got beat 1 24. What? Complete the breaking record function in this editor below. Breaking record has the following. Okay. Returns two integers array with the numbers of times you broke the record: 0 most points and 1 for the least points. Okay. First line contains an integer. And okay. Sample input 9. The length. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, example 2 for explanation. Score 10, 5, 20, 24. Okay. High score 10, 10, 20, 20. Okay. So she got 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 25. Okay, so basically what we're trying to do here, so we're getting the maximum. So this is a loop. We get the maximum whenever that. Okay. How many times it broke it? That is okay. Where is it? Yep, you're on JavaScript. Theme dark. Okay, so unfortunately, the way that I'll do this is we'll have a we don't have to have a high score, so we just have to have a score breaks. Okay, equals the highest and the lowest breaks. So for I equals 0, I there's then scores, not length, increment, and we check so maybe I'll just have a temporary variable here. Let max equals 0, let min equals 0. So in this one what we do is what we do is just if okay, let's create an element here. Let element equals scores I. So now that we have that, we can compare now if element or is greater than max, then max is equals to element. If element is less than min, so we got min is equals to element. Okay, so now that we have those, you can just do this, return max. Oops, that was a mistake. So there's two things we need to do here. So this is going to be contained in the bracket. There we go. Then score breaks. This is max, so plus equals 1. Score breaks 1. We return score breaks. Let's check it. That's wrong answer. So it's 3. Okay. Maybe it's pertaining about an unequal sign. Let's try that. Okay. Alright. Let's check this chart. 3G, so this is 4, 0. So every time we assign a new ones, iterates, right? Oh, okay. So we should assign here max is 0 and the min is that means scores 0. Okay, so that max is scores 0. So they'll have an initial value. There we go. Try to submit. See all test cases are passed. There we go. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Thank you.